Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deanna Nicole, and I'm giving you this ash blonde bob. So if you want to see how I did it, just stay tuned. What's up YouTube, it's your girl Deanna Nicole, aka Diamonds Too Bad, and welcome back to my channel. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can get exclusive videos just like these. So today we're going to get into this 8-inch bob, y'all. So this is a bob that I did from Desor Hair, and it was 8 inches. I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about this hair. I love the hair, and I wanted to make this ash blonde bob look, so I took it from black to this color right here. And I'm not gonna lie, you guys, the hair it got pretty damaged, but that's because, you know, I lightened it. Like, I took it up to like a yellow tone instead of that orange brassy tone. I took it up to a yellow tone. And y'all, when I tell you that this bob came out like super cute, I'm gonna tell y'all all the things that I use for this bob. I use Wella Color toner, T14 and T18, and I actually mixed them together. And I also use a lightener for this, Matrix lightener, and y'all gonna see in this tutorial. But yeah, you guys, y'all let me know how y'all feel about this wig. On a scale from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this a 8.5. Due to the fact, I'm gonna let you know a little bit about the hair. When I was sewing the hair down on the sewing machine, especially when you're making a wig, since it was only 8 inches, as I was going up the cap, it kept getting shorter and shorter, and I probably should have got some longer limbs so I could cut it out, so a bob, like, you know, a nice little cute even sized bob. So since it was going up and up, it kind of gave it like a layer effect, and it's cool or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But you know, I prefer that even look, balanced look. But next time I'll probably get, you know, like a 8, a 10, a 12, something like that, you know what I mean? So yeah, I want y'all to stay tuned to this video. Let me know what you think, and I love you, trendsetters. See you later. Trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you this hair unit that I made on my sewing machine by Desor Hair, and I am pretty much just showing you the inside of it, how I sewn it from, you know, top to bottom. And I am going to lighten this hair so I can start off on my ash blonde look. So you'll see me in the next clip with the Matrix Lightener Level 6, a 40 volume developer, a mixing bowl and a mixing brush, and some foil. And the reason why I do that foil, because, you know, it processes a little faster. So here you'll just see me spread out the lightener onto the hair. And I ain't gonna lie, you guys, I had to lighten this hair 2 times because, like I said, the first time it was a brassy tone, and I was trying to go for a real ashy look, ash blonde look. So I lightened it twice, and of course, while you lighten the hair, it strips the hair, but it held up pretty well. So I am impressed with this with Desor Hair. And yeah, y'all just continue watching the video.
Nice one, Dizzle.
this is day 2 of me lightening the hair. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I got pretty lazy the other day, so I didn't even do the frontal of the wig, but it's okay because I'm gonna do the frontal today. And overall, this whole process is a 4-day process because I didn't want to lighten the hair and then turn around and put toner on it because I'm already doing a lot of chemical processing to it. So day 2, I just went back and lightened the hair again because instead of this orangey yellow tone, I wanted a real high yellow tone. And I am going to also, the 3rd day, I'm going to go back and retouch up the frontal because it came out that brassy brown tone, just like orangey brown tone, just like it did that first day of the overall wig. So I had to go back and retouch up the frontal as well, not the frontal, the closure as well. So yeah, y'all gonna see this whole little process. It was a process, you guys. I'm not even gonna tell you no stories, the whole process, but guess what? It was worth it at the end. So I'm gonna stop doing all this talking so y'all can see the rest and see the results. And I just hope you enjoy.
Levi got hits.
Oh, I guess I shouldn't have done that, huh? You damn skippy, brother.